How I use 528 Hz to manifest money fast. Do this daily. If you're watching this, it means money is already aligning with your energy. In this video, I'm sharing the exact daily method I use to manifest money fast using the 528 Hz frequency. It's simple, powerful, and backed by vibration, focus, and intention. 528 Hz is known as the love frequency or the miracle tone. It's believed to activate the solar plexus chakra, boost energy flow, and attract transformation, including abundance. In sound healing, this frequency is associated with DNA repair, peace, and magnetism. But when you combine it with intention, especially around money, it becomes a tool for manifestation. Every morning, I set aside just 10 minutes to tune into this frequency. Here's exactly what I do. 1. I sit quietly and play 528 Hz music in the background, just loud enough to feel it. 2. I close my eyes and visualize the version of me who already has the money I desire. 3. I focus on how it feels, the peace, the freedom, the gratitude. I don't just think about the money, I feel it like it's already mine. Now let's talk about the formula that brings it all together. Frequency plus focus plus feeling. The frequency aligns your body and energy field. Your focus directs your intention, and your feeling is what truly manifests. Every time I do this, I remind myself, I don't chase money, I attract it. Try saying it out loud. Money flows to me effortlessly. I am a magnet for wealth. After just a few weeks of doing this daily, I started noticing real shifts. Unexpected checks, new clients, and ideas that brought in extra income. One of my favorite parts of the routine is journaling. I write what I'm grateful for, what I'm calling in, and affirmations like, I am ready to receive. This isn't just a routine, it's energetic alignment. So if you're ready to align your energy with abundance, start using this ritual daily. Even just a few minutes with 528 Hz can shift your entire mindset and your reality. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to claim your abundance. And if you want more manifestation tools, check out my channel. I've got new videos every week to help you tune into your power. Until next time, stay aligned, stay abundant, and keep dreaming it daily.